Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of Ramen Trunk. Go to ramentrunk.com and use the coupon code Ramen Raider 20 off. 20 is numbers, so Ramen Raider 20 off. You get 20% off a single box or a subscription, which is pretty good, you know. And this is one that came in the March box. Look at that. Wow. That's fantabulous, folks. Fancy. So, you know, you can't get enough of the fancy. If you like fancy things, it is fancy stuff right here. This is Ebisen, it's Ebisen Ichigen, or Ichigen. Ebisen Ichigen. It's either a G or a J, but I want to go with the G. I could be wrong, and I often am. So, this is a fancy one from Hokkaido, from Kurume, and it's got 3 things. Well, actually, that's a dual. There's 2 servings of everything in there, and let's see, there's one of those, one of these. The rest can go down here. Bye-bye. Because there's really nothing left in there. You get this. By the way, this is miso. You get this. This is a noodle block. Or it's fresh. I mean, it's squishy. I'm not going to squish it, though. Don't squeeze the shaman. Then you get your soup base. Whenever you get a wet pack like this, always do this to it. Unless, I guess, it specifically says not to, but when you do this, it mixes things up, and that's a good thing. And this is shrimp oil. This goes like in last. So, let's see here. Okay. That was weird. My camera on my phone stopped, so I figured, hey. So, here's how you do it. First off, you want to add that stuff there to boiling water. I have boiling water, and it takes 3 minutes for the noodle, or 3 to 4 minutes to cook the noodles. I'm going for 3.5, which is right in the middle. And I've got a burner that's kind of, it had this boiling water on it, and it's still just a little bit warm. The water is still freaking hot, but you just dissolve this in here and you're good to go. So I'm going to do that first. Let's get that going. It just seems like it'll make plating a lot easier. That's my thought. And this is a miso. That tastes absolutely, So this one is bubbling. Noodles. I'm going to do a couple different things. I'm going to use my handy dandy. I've only used this once before. Check that out. It's like the ramen strainer dealie. I'm just gonna put this in here, and hopefully, nope. It just doesn't. I don't have a pot deep enough to really support its use. But we got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And we want to keep these noodles nice and loose. Using heat-resistant chopsticks. I hope that's not too much to make your mind explode. I'm just in the mood today. It's a nice day. Just got a text from my wife. She's really excited about something at work. So that's cool. It's always nice when the woman you love is excited about something. And the kids just had lunch. My son is sitting on a Kindle in the living room, chilling out. This water's about to boil over. That's what happens when I get distracted by chopsticks. That's why I shouldn't use them. See? I'm on the fork again. It's got 2 minutes, 16 seconds left. What else is going on? In the last 2 days, let's see. This is Wednesday. Put together on Monday and Tuesday, I walked 13.5 miles. And man, wow. It was hard waking up this morning, let me tell you. But trying to talk my wife into going for a really long walk tonight. Maybe another 4 miles on top of it. And then Thursday, tomorrow, I can probably pull off another 4, hopefully 8. And this will be the most I've ever walked in 1 week. Currently from not counting today, that's right. From yesterday to a week before, I did like 35 miles. So, yeah. That's a lot of walking. I like to say it in kilometers though, because that's like longer. It's like, hey, yeah, in the last 2 days I've walked 22.5 kilometers. Yeah, you just go. Yesterday we went to Costco. That was a serious Costco visit too. And we don't really have anything we need to do today. We're good on the stuff needing to do. However, tomorrow night, no, this is Wednesday. Friday night, we're going out. Saw a thing about this new place down in Seattle called Bonchon, but it's not B-A-N, it's B-O-N, so it's like good bonchon, I don't know. But it's a popular joint. And it's Korean fare. I really want to go, and because we both love Korean food, but there's one problem. The place just opened, their menu isn't full, and the lines are like half hour, 45 minutes out the door. It's nice out. In fact, yesterday it got up to 80 here, which is like absolutely crazy. Not this Monday, but the Monday before that. I couldn't go on a walk with my daughter because it was like 25 degrees at the time we would normally leave. Freaking insane. Anyways, our noodles are cooked. So let's drain them. I guess I'll just use this to drain. Broth that's been chilling out here on just a very, very minimal heat. Oh yeah. one of those times I think when I'm gonna be like, man, wish I wasn't on a diet. And then we've got the sachet of shrimp oil that we're gonna put in here too. And we'll give it a taste. How about that? How you like them apples? Would I put my scissors? What's the freaking deal here? Are they behind me? Did I throw them in the trash? I certainly hope I did. I really, ladies and gentlemen, I really have an attachment to those scissors. Are they right in front of my freaking nose? No? Well, luckily, since I do lose things constantly, I'm going to grab more scissors because I have lots of scissors at my beck and call. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. Let's get the Rotato going. The Rotato, one of the finest family-friendly devices in the world. No muss, no fuss, it's Rotato. That's what I like to call it. That's its pet name. Come on, Rotato. Whoa, there you go, little Rotato. Ooh, it wants to move. Okay. So let's see what I can do here with Rotato. There you go, how's that? Miles agrees. Rotato is fun and pleasing to the eye. And look at it rotate. Oh, that's neat. I love when I get to see broth do things like this. Just that oil. It's so nice. And it does indeed have a very good shrimp scent to it. So let's give it a taste. Let's look at the man. You're gonna be like, what the hell is he doing? I'll tell you in a moment. Wow, that's a flavor I savor. Wow. So that has that kind of sweetness you'll find in a lot of prawn dishes. It's just very sweet. I mean, it's serious business. It's sweet, ultra prawn strength. And the notes, the liner notes for this ramen, it mentioned that some people think, oh, it's just far too prawny. Like, to them, I say, you just don't have enough enjoyment of prawn, because strong prawn flavor is wonderful. And this is some top-notch stuff right here, I will say. Here's some mung bean sprouts. Scissors. Scissors. So I thought I'd see what would happen if I just did this. I took out the crazy egg first. Oh, look at that. Pretty good. Put some spring onion right about here. And then I've got a slice of chashu, which is gonna go right here. And I know it's more of a tonkatsu deal, but I really like kizami shoga. And so, if you're wondering what the heck that is, it's this. It's just pickled ginger. It's bright pickled ginger. And finally, a little bit of shichimi togarashi. Right about there. And okay, fine. Where's my other one? Dude, really? I keep having this. Ah, there it is. I have this issue with losing my sesame seeds. And I did for a moment there. However, reclaimed. Where would they look nicest? I don't even have to do anything. Rotato does all the work. Thank you, Rotato. What would we do without you? That's that. That is one fancy looking bowl of ramen. Would you eat that? You know, I might have to see if Miles might try a little bit of this. He might. Although, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramenerator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yes, you saw me using chopsticks. So if you realize that, instead of just saying, "Oh my god, he finally used chopsticks, I hope he keeps doing this," just say, all you have to do in the comments is write, "I am a champion, a pretty winner." No, wait. Say, "I am a pretty winner and a beautiful champion, and my name will go on a magical golden placard in the dog juice mausoleum when I die." And it will. Have a good one. Bye.